So continuing with my best skincare series, here I bring it to you my top 5 moisturizer which are not only fragrance free but also pretty reasonable and affordable at the same time. I will be mentioning my 5 picks, and if you stick till the end of the video you will also get some fragrance options. And because I am not exactly a fragrance free freak, I also do use some products which contains fragrance, so if you are like me then do stick around till the end to know all about the fragrance options and also the fragrance free options. So hey guys, if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Maitri Haldar. I do post a lot of skincare videos such as this one, mixed with couple of content that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every single time when I upload. And also do not forget to follow me in my Instagram because I am more active there, and you also get to be a part of what goes into my videos such as this one. And also I do come live at every week or every alternate week to solve a bunch of different questions then and there. So join me in my Instagram family. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead with the most important step, which is moisturizing. So even if you are the most oiliest person in this whole entire universe, you should not skip your moisturizer, because if you do skip your moisturizer, you will be more oily and thus producing more sebum, and you will get a lot of acne. All of the fragrance free options that I am going to mention are all under 500 rupees or sometimes 600 rupees, so it's a pretty good price range to majority of the audience. Coming on to the most cheapest yet my holy grail moisturizer of all, this is the Simple Light Hydrating Moisturizer. I know it's currently out of stock, but the new one that they came with is pretty similar in comparison to the ingredient list of this one, and that moisturizer is a lot runnier than this current one. So that moisturizer will really be beneficial if you have a lot of oily skin problems, and especially in summer. So if this moisturizer comes in stock, this is my holy grail. It contains vitamin E, borate seed, but the only fact that I judge my moisturizer with is the actual feel, because moisturizer can sometimes be heavy in the summers. This moisturizer not only will suit you in the summers but also in the winters, because it does provide you with the enough hydration that you need, but also at the same time doesn't make you sticky and greasy. This one retails for I think 250 to 350 depending upon the sale, and it is 125 ml. The new one is also a similar price range but does comes in a smaller bottle. Coming on to the next moisturizer, this one is from Sebamed. Now this moisturizer is a gel based moisturizer, but it's also pretty much hydrating for a normal to dry skin person. Extreme dry skin person might not benefit from this moisturizer, but it is a really nice light moisturizer, especially if you have oily skin and want a moisturizer which won't grease up your skin. And Sebamed does mention its pH in the moisturizer, so it's pretty much similar to our skin, so it will be really great. It has really nice humectants such as aloe vera leaf juice, glycerin, panthenol, and these all ingredients are really soothing to your skin and also will prevent the moisture loss and retain the moisture in your skin. It retails for 450 rupees to 550 rupees for 50 ml, which is an affordable price range, and I do really like this product, especially in the summertime. Coming on to the next moisturizer, this moisturizer is my current obsession, and because Simple is not bringing the light hydrating moisturizer, I might shift from my Simple to this moisturizer. Now this is a sample one, but this one is from Bioderma, and this is their ultra nourishing cream. Now it's pretty affordable. It retails for 500 rupees to 599 rupees for 100 ml of product. Now I will say it is not exactly great for too much oily skin, because it does gives you a little bit of shine and moisture that oily skin people won't really enjoy. But me being a combination skin type, especially in the winters, I do get a lot of dry patches. This moisturizer is amazing. It is really luxurious and it is really hydrating, and also does gives you a dewy look. I am almost finished with this because this is a Chotu sample that I got from Schmitten, but I am going to repurchase this because for the winter months I am going to love this product. It not only has niacinamide but also has a seaweed extract which will help you in the moisture retention properties, and especially the marine extract or the seaweeds are generally great for our skin barrier and also the overall hydration part. And because Bioderma is more prone towards sensitive skin, and because this skin is sensitive skin, apart from being combination, this product will not only suit the dry skin, normal skin, but also the sensitive skin. Coming on to the next product, this moisturizer was highly requested, and surprisingly my dad tried this moisturizer, who has, I guess I will call it, normal to dry skin. This moisturizer is Cipla's Excella moisturizer, and this moisturizer was highly requested. I did try a little bit from my dad's, and it's currently out of stock in the local pharmacy, but when it gets restocked I will surely buy it. But this moisturizer, when I initially applied it, it did felt it won't moisturize my skin enough, but it did moisturize it, and it gave me hydration throughout the day. It is not only fragrance free, and it is also very accessible and affordable, because you can pretty much get Cipla products on your local pharmacy such as Apollo or Netmeds or any other online stores apart from Amazon. And for a fun fact, this moisturizer contains a niacinamide as the second ingredient. It will give you all the amazing properties of niacinamide that is there, and you can check more of niacinamide properties in my niacinamide video in the Actives Month series that I am doing this whole November, and the next video will be on vitamin C. Along with niacinamide, it also has copper salt. Now copper is really beneficial for its wound healing properties, and copper salt, to be specific, does promote a lot of self-regenerating properties. Lastly, it does contain zinc PCA, which is really beneficial if you have a lot of oil and sebum production, which makes this moisturizer not only great for normal, dry, sensitive and oily, but also acne prone skin. It comes under the price range of about 400 rupees to 450 rupees for 50 gram of product, which is really reasonable and affordable to the quality that you are getting. Coming to the last fragrance free option, which is from Dr. Sheth. Now this is a sample size. Again, I tried from Schmitten, and you guys were telling me try Dr. Sheth product, like constantly DMing me. But the reason why I don't like Dr. Sheth product is not because they are bad. In fact, they do have a lot of good ingredients in their products, but most of their products are really gimmicky. Take example for this moisturizer. Now this moisturizer I'm only suggesting you guys because I really like the feel of the moisturizer. It does has a lot of good ingredients. It is fragrance free, but it is called an antioxidant cream, but the only antioxidant it has is BHT, which is, to be honest, not exactly preferable for dermatologists or any other skincare enthusiast that you might come across. It does say fragrance free, but it does smells like Boro Plus, so I'm not exactly sure. It gives your skin this dewy feeling, which not only works for an oily skin but also dry skin at the same time. The formulation of this moisturizer is really nice, and it is also not exactly affordable. 599 rupees for 30 gram of product is too much, but the ingredient list is really clean. If they prefer adding a little more of antioxidant, because that is the name of the cream, if they called it just a simple moisturizer, I would have bought it, no complaints, but they call it an antioxidant moisturizer, and I'm not really happy about that, because BHT, let's be honest, is not exactly a good form of antioxidant. It is not bad, but it's not exactly what I prefer. But to end this product in a positive note, it's really beneficial if you have combination skin and you do face a lot of dry patches. It would really provide you the hydration and will also make your skin non-greasy. Now, if you have sticked on to this part, let me mention some of the fragrance options that I'm currently loving or I have loved in the past. Coming on to the first pick, which is from Requel. This is the Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. Oh my god, this is really hydrating and moisturizing, especially in the winters. And I do really like to apply it every time I apply retinol, and retinol does make your skin a little bit dry. If you want to know more about retinol, then you can check my in-depth retinol and retinoid video, and that would give you more insight. This moisturizer is really luxurious. It not only has hyaluronic acid as a humectant, but also has a couple of ceramides, which is really good for your skin barrier and your overall microbiome. It also has mango butter, thus gives you the moisturization, and it is also pretty affordable. Comes at the price range of about 350 rupees for 100 grams of product, which is really cheap. Coming on to the next two picks, which are from Face Shop. Now I used to really love Face Shop, and especially these two products I cannot get rid of, and both of them are from their chia seed line. In fact, this is my first favorite line from their range, and the second one is white seed. Now the first product that I'm going to mention is their hydrating lotion. Now this is a lotion emulsifying type of a moisturizer. Many people asked a lot of questions in my Insta live of an emulsion based moisturizer which is fragrance free. Currently I do not use any fragrance free emulsion based moisturizer, but what I really like is this one. It has a little bit of fragrance, not overpowering, but the hydration and moisturization and the non-oiliness it provides, it's uncomparable. I cannot get past of this because especially on the monsoon season when your skin is much more moisturized because the moisture level is way throughout, and because I live in Kolkata where it's like 90% of the time raining and the humidity level is way high than any other state, this moisturizer really suits me well in the monsoon season, especially because at that time I do not really like to put a lot of things in my face. The last one is from chia seed line again. This is the plain simple moisturizer that you get. This is a sample size, but the only problem with the Face Shops or Innisfree is that they are too expensive. They are not really expensive in Korea, they are really cheap, but the import taxes and everything makes this product really expensive. It retails for 2000 rupees for the full size, but again the feel of the cream is so nice. If you have used the chia seed one, let me know in the comment. I really like this cream, and especially in the summer months I always purchase this chia seed cream, and if I get bored of using my simple moisturizer I always apply this. This is my night, day, anytime moisturizer, and I really like it. Hey guys, so that was my top 5 fragrance free moisturizer and the couple of options that I mentioned about the fragrance option, because I do not mind fragrances in my products in smaller quantities, and all of the fragrance options that I mentioned, the fragrance part is I think in the bottom of the list or in the bottom part of the list. And I've also done a serum version of this video right here which has 5 serums options which are all affordable, fragrance free, silicones free. You can check it in the bottom box below. And also if you are curious about a lot of fragrance free options in India, I have done a whole dedicated video. You can check it in the bottom box below. It is called a Bro KF skincare routine, and the most of the products are under 500 rupees. So if you like this video and you like my content, then do hit on that like button. Comment down below any other favorite moisturizer that you have which are fragrance free or fragranced. I like them both. If you want to enlighten me with any other queries, do let me know in the comment box. I'm active for 2 hours, and if you have other queries, do follow me in the Insta where I do my Insta live. Then we can chat and have a great time. Share this video to any of your friends who are looking forward to buy any kind of moisturizer and are currently looking forward to buy any moisturizer that I mentioned and want to know a quick review. Lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification to get more of my content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye bye and take care.